So today, guys, we're going to be going to Hard Rock Cafe at Broadway at the beach. Talk about the food there and see if it's good or not. So let's get to it.
So we are at the Hard Rock Cafe at Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach, and we are going to try everything out and give you guys a review. Yeah, we came here last year for CJ's birthday, and it was pretty good. So we decided to come back for my birthday. Maybe we'll try something different and let you guys know how it is. Right? Oh. So if you've never been to a Hard Rock Cafe, they have pretty typical like chain restaurant food, like an Outback Steakhouse would have, or maybe another chain that's mostly American type food, along with a full bar, burgers, steaks, fajitas, and they got shakes. So I don't think I'm gonna order this. However, I did find this very intriguing. 24 karat gold leaf steak burger. 24 karat edible gold leaf served with Tillamook cheddar cheese, leaf lettuce, fine ripened tomatoes, and red onion. It's pure gold, only for the true rock star. It doesn't exactly look like something that would be appetizing to me. However, who knows? Maybe it's good.
It tastes just like any other hamburger.
It's not super expensive like you'd think a gold burger would be. So I don't really understand what the 24 karat gold leaf steak burger means, but I just thought that was intriguing. Crazy burger. So the head chef, it's his 21st year being here at the Myrtle Beach Hard Rock Cafe.
One of our legendary burgers, so why not do a legendary burger?
They made him a giant burger, which is really cool.
It's a great restaurant, it's a great company. We're a big family here in Myrtle Beach. We have an amazing menu and amazing ingredients, amazing recipes, but it's nothing without amazing people. So he's at the helm of it, he's behind the scenes a lot of times, and the reason why Hard Rock Myrtle Beach is so great is because of people like him. So show him a little love, a little appreciation, and
yeah. So Sarah, what did you order?
I ordered the barbecue burger.
Barbecue burger?
I think it was called something fancier than that, but I don't actually want the barbecue on it. I just like that it has bacon and cheese and fried onion rings. And Weston also really wants the rice, apparently.
He does, huh? CJ, what'd you get?
I got some wings with some celery and carrots. Not that I'm gonna eat celery and carrots, but I'm definitely having them wings.
And I got the steak fajitas, and I have to say they look delicious. So we're gonna dig in, and we'll let you guys know how it is. So now that you've gotten a bite, how is it?
Delicious.
Good? Weston, how's your French fry? Must be delicious. CJ? How is it?
It's top standard.
Yeah? I've had one fajita. It's pretty good. However, it's lacking some spice. It's definitely very plain, but we're not at, I guess, we're not at a Mexican restaurant. We're at more of an American cuisine restaurant, so I guess you would expect that. It's really good. The steak was cooked great. Just could use a little bit more seasoning. So because it's my birthday, they brought me out this sundae. Looks pretty good. Made to eat tomorrow. Made to eat later. Is that what they say? No, it looks good. They always do something special here. We came here last year for CJ's birthday, which was really cool. And they gave him a card that was actually signed by all the employees. And they called him up on that stage and gave him a round of applause from the entire restaurant. So that was pretty cool. But I'm gonna dig into this and see how it is. So here we go. First bite. Pretty good. Not gonna lie, it's pretty good. I'm getting mostly whipped cream on the top. Yeah, definitely like it. Time for Sarah to get a bite. Dig in. Oh, am I eating another hand?
I want some of that chocolate in there.
Well, put the thing down. There you go. Good. Might need to use your other hand so you can get some of that chocolate down there. Pretty good? So we just finished eating at the Hard Rock Cafe at Boardwalk at the beach in Myrtle Beach. How was it, guys?
Awesome.
Very good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
Everything was tasty?
It was tasty. The burger wasn't like seasoned a lot, but I had cheese and bacon and fried onions on it, so that gave it flavor. And ketchup and mayonnaise.
How about your wings?
My wings were awesome, and it also feels like a special experience going to Hard Rock. Because it's not just like a restaurant. They have all this stuff here to look at and just all this stuff to watch. It's fun.
Yeah, my fajitas were okay, just okay. But the service
The service was amazing.
top notch. The service was top notch, and we knew that going in because we came here last year for CJ's birthday, as we mentioned before. So I feel like the service can definitely take mediocre food and like boost it up to a 10, just because everyone was so awesome in there. And as you can see, they brought me out a Sunday for my birthday, and that was cool, made me feel special. And it was overall a great place, and we'll definitely come back again.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, whoa.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What are those? Potted pants. Boom.